Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need your account credentials and the device unlocked. Open Mobile Legends and tap your avatar now. Once inside your profile, go straight to Settings and choose Account Security to view lock options. Make sure you're on a stable network so changes save. If you use third-party login, have that app ready. This initiates the process to find the security lock toggle and any linked verification methods you'll remove or replace during the next steps. You'll now remove linked verification methods. Locate phone, email, or Facebook bindings and choose Unlink or Change. When prompted, disable two-factor authentication or the security PIN by selecting the Disable option and entering your current verification code. This proves your identity. Once done, make sure each method shows unlinked status. If an external app like Google Authenticator is used, remove the app's code entry here. Then confirm so the lock state can be updated inside the game. Finish by saving changes and restarting Mobile Legends so the disabled security lock takes effect. If the lock persists, clear the app cache or update to the latest version, then retry the unlinked steps. These fixes resolve most sync problems. If you still cannot disable the lock, contact game support and provide your account ID and screenshots. They'll verify ownership and complete the change. Keep patience. Support requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.